Hey guys, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be talking about how to remove pesticides from organic food. So as you can see right here, we have organically grown tomatoes. So I'm sure we've all heard in school that oil and water don't mix. So right here I'm using 11.5 water that comes out of my Kangen water machine that emulsifies oil. So the power of this is that it's actually able to take off the pesticides from your food. This works because the fact that it emulsifies oil, it's actually taking off the oil-based pesticides from your food. Now, because I only eat organic food, I really didn't think that there were going to be little, if any, pesticides coming off of my food. But I was wrong. I was really wrong. And so I'm showing you guys this video because basically I'm just putting these organic tomatoes in this 11.5 pH water. So it emulsifies oil and is able to take the pesticides off of any organic food. The reason farmers use oil-based pesticides is so that when it rains, it doesn't take the pesticides off of the food. It stays on there. Even organic food is used with pesticides. Sometimes when it comes off, it's not necessarily yellow. Sometimes it can be clear because of the type of pesticides they use. But almost all foods now have pesticides. And when you use regular tap water, or if you use any kind of other water that can't emulsify oil, you're eating these pesticides. So right here, I'm just letting the tomatoes sit in this water, just a little, rubbing it off like you normally would using any other water. And yeah, it's going to be about a minute or two, and then we're going to take the tomatoes out. So by using this water, you're no longer putting these pesticides in your body, and you're also able to taste the fresh and clean food that you now are able to eat. So right here, I'm just going to start taking the tomatoes out after I, keep rubbing the pesticides off. You can really tell and feel how clean it is. And the water is changing from like the red reflection to a slight yellow. So right here, I'm just grabbing a quick paper towel so I can take the tomatoes out. And then you guys will see the water. So yeah, this water takes off all those nasty pesticides, not only leaving your food fresh and clean as nature intended, but also because it's allowing you to not put that in your body. So I'm just taking out the tomatoes right here, and as you can see, the water is pretty yellow. This is because of the pesticides that came off of the organic tomatoes. So right here, I'm just transferring from the bowl into a glass the pesticides that came off so it's easier for you guys to see. And now this is the final product of how to remove pesticides from organic food.